Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I recently purchased some Nicole Diary stamping plates from AliExpress. I'm going to break this down into a few videos and they are a mix of the small and large stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Nicole Diary stamping plate L09. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a red coloured nail tip along with a black stamping polish. Now I had some trouble getting the small bottle open, so I went to my larger size of the same polish, and because it had been sat there for a while it is quite thick and it needs to be thinned out a bit, and the image has stamped. However, it's not as clean as I would have liked it to have been because of the stamping polish. The photo swatch is much better. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. With this design you could fill the areas in with different colours, or you could add a glitter mix to them as well for something different. I personally love the colour combo of this swatch with the image, but it would work in a lot of different colour combos. It's a really nice design. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. This image reminds me of misshaped bubbles from the sea, which is why I chose the colour combo I did. Again, this is another image you could fill in with some colour or a glitter mix. I personally love how this swatch looks, and I would really wear a whole mani of it. It's so pretty. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. When this plate arrived I couldn't make out what this image was, and I still can't. However, it's a very unusual design which I really like. Not sure how I would use it in a mani unless I can figure out what it is, but it's still a really nice swatch nonetheless. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a bright blue stamping polish. For this image I'm going for the double triangles, and once I've picked up the image I will remove anything before stamping down. There is a couple of images that I would put together with this triangle design from L09. It is however stamped a little bit on the wonky side, but it's still a nice clean swatch though. For the next swatch I'll be using a grey coloured nail tip along with the large black stamping polish. Now I had the same thing with this swatch as I did with the red swatch. Because if it's been sat there a while, it's made the image not as clean as I would like it to have been. However, this is yet another image that you could fill in with colour or even add glitter to the middle of that diamond. And even though it's not a great swatch, it really is a nice image. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Nicole Diary stamping plate L09. Nicole Diary stamping plate L09 has 23 large style designs along with 22 mixed size designs at the bottom of the plate. The images are a mix of marble and pattern along with a mix in the small images of leaves, floral and shapes. The large image at the bottom right hand corner, the open space, with that swatch you'll see that the open space part is missing, and that's because no matter what I did I couldn't get it to pick up. I do wish companies wouldn't put these open space designs right on the sides of the plate. It makes it so hard to pick them up. The small designs, I've added more than one image to a pop stick on a few of them. The main reason I chose L09 was because of the marble and the pattern designs. They are one of my favourite manis to create. Some of the marble designs you could add more than one to a nail in different colours. That's quite a popular look to go with, and I really like some of the colour combos that I've done with the marble images. I really do like these large style plates of that Nicole Diary do. I have, including L09, 8 in total to come to my channel, and they are ever so inexpensive as well. I paid anywhere between £1.80 to £2.20 per plate, so super affordable and really nice to use. I'm getting a really nice collection of them now. You can find the other ones I've already swatched in my Nicole Diary playlist here on my channel. There is so many different manis I want to create using the patterns and the marble designs. I definitely want to use that butterfly image. It is so gorgeous. L09 would also work alongside 3 other Nicole Diary stamping plates that will be coming to my channel in the next few weeks. So make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification on so you don't miss any of my videos. I know for sure that I'll be returning to L09 for some more manis, along with seeing what I can create using L09 with some other Nicole Diary stamping plates, as the mani I've created for this video didn't really come out how I wanted it to. It could have been a lot better. But I adore the swatches I've created, and with plenty of manis to create from L09, I know that I can do some really nice manis, and I can see L09 being a very popular stamping plate. So for the mani, I've used a light blue gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a bright blue stamping polish. I've only used one image for the whole mani, but I've turned the stamp around so each nail is different. And then for something different, I added a platinum gel polish into some of the gaps of the design. Some of the nails look good, it worked well, and then some of the others didn't. I definitely want to do this mani again because I think it can look a whole lot better. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Nicole Diary stamping plate L09. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!